Welcome back, Intermediate Algebra. Your second con, just about as easy as the first one for today. This one is called Extend Geometric Sequences with Negatives and Fractions. So now we've just introduced fractions and negatives, but it's still the same type thing. You will notice in this sequence, I like looking at it from the standpoint of what happened to my numerators, going from 128 to 32 to 8. You might notice we're dividing by 4 each time, okay? And going from 27 to 9 to 3, we're dividing by 3 each time. So here's our deal on this one. If we continue to do that, if I take negative 8 over 3, so let's see, I can do this, I think. We'll make this a really obscured fraction, or looking fraction. There, 8 over 3. And I were to times this by, let's clone that for a moment. And I were to clone that by, you'll notice that, I'm multiplying, by the way, because it goes from a negative to a positive to a negative, we need to multiply by a negative. And we said, we're dividing, aren't we? I'm doing this all wrong. Never mind. Let's just do this the other way. See, teachers make mistakes too. It's not a big deal. If I divide this one by 4 and this one by 3, like we said we're doing too, 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So the bottom part of my fraction is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And a negative times a negative would be a positive. So my answer for this one is just simply going to be 2. 2 over 1, which simplifies to 2. So that's the first answer. That's what we do for the first one. Let's see if I can make better work of this one. All right, this one, you'll notice the numerator is always staying the same. So our denominator is always staying the same. I'm having a good day today. So our denominator will stay 5, but our numerator is doubling, going from 3 to 6 and then 6 to 12. So if we double it again, it goes to 24 over 5. Where did I get 2 from? That's not correct. I am so sorry. That is not correct. It should be 24 over 5. I'm having a good day on this video, aren't I? So we will, actually, I'm going to just see. Let's go white and white. White, white. Guys, that 2 right here never happened. There, it's gone. Okay. So the answer on this one should be 24 over 5, because that would be the next term in the sequence. All right. That is how you do it. Hopefully I didn't confuse you more about that one, but that is how you do it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.